What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. How is everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Now, guys, I was already laying in bed, getting ready to go to sleep. Especially now that it's like freezing. For those that don't know, I live in Texas, and right now we're having this whole fiasco with like 50% of the city not having light. So there's that. I got a comment from one of y'all. Thank you, appreciate it. Zhou Shen, he's apparently like a mentor or a judge or something at a new show, and he did like a surprise performance, and I was like, barely opening my eyes, like, I need to check it out. I need to be on top because I missed him, guys. I missed him. All right, let me know, guys. Give me some info on the show. Give me the rundown. And before I can get into the reaction, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, click notification so you can get notified every time I post, and follow me on my Instagram. It's a great time on there. And yes, I'm not gonna be screaming as much because I feel like people are asleep. I don't want to wake them up. So let's get right into this reaction. This is pretty cool. You're like a judge, and you're able to do like a performance. Cause I know this is like a surprise performance. Like his. Why is everybody like afraid, surprised? Let's go back. Like, why is everybody like, what's going on? Like, is my mentor actually singing to me? Nice. Can we all take a moment and appreciate his control? I like how he's able to control the volume in his voice. Just so. Whoa. Those are a lot of people. Guys, yes, let me know. Are those the contestants or what? That's a lot. It can't be them. But I also doubt, I don't think that's the audience. And why is this performance only 2 minutes long? Them run. Cute. Bro. Say right here. Song reminds me a lot of the one he did, the one I reacted to, like last week. It'd be funny if it's the same song. But amazing performance. Let me see real quick what the translation says. Mr. Zhou Shen stage premiere. Ring the doorbell and listen to it. What was the name of the song from last time? Let's see. I want to see like, what is all this? Okay, he's a teacher, and they're looking forward to sharing this beautiful stage with Shen. And there's not much information aside from he's singing the song "Ring the Doorbell" for yourself. Yeah, guys, let me know. Give me more info on like the show, what's it about, all that good stuff. And yeah, guys, let me know what did y'all think of the performance, what did y'all think of the video, what did you think of the song. And until next time.